This city is so big.
Yes, and today we explore it together.
I think we are here. Maybe?
Jake, you are holding the map upside down.
Wow, balloon rides.
We should try it today. I hope the view is beautiful.
It will be amazing. Thank you. Here you go.
Thank you so much. Look at all the colors.
It feels like a dream. Is it safe?
Yes, don't worry. We're going up.
This is awesome. The sky is so clear.
Perfect for exploring. Look, the old buildings.
They are huge. I never saw anything like this.
Right? Me too. It's beautiful.
It's amazing. The mountains look like waves.
Yes, big stone waves. They are so close.
They fly better than us.
People look so small.
Like little toys. Is this a good angle?
Turn it a little. Yes,
My hair is crazy.
it looks cute.
Look, our shadow.
It looks like a giant circle.
Beautiful day.
Yes, very beautiful.
We are so high.
I can see forever. It's quiet. Life is busy, but here it feels simple.
Yes. We need moments like this. We are going down now.
I don't want it to end.
Prepare for landing.
Okay.
Okay. Whoa!
We made it. That was fun.
Let's do it again someday. What was your favorite part?
All of it. We saw the whole city.
And the ancient buildings. Amazing. Today was perfect.
Yes, let's explore more places together.